How to remove account from YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can remove your account from YouTube, so just make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you'd like to remove your account or your Google account in general from the YouTube app so that you want to watch it without those Google accounts, just keep in mind that if you're on Android, this process is a little bit different, so I have a different tutorial for that. Because on Android how it works is that you have to remove your Google account from your device itself to remove it from your YouTube app. But since iOS devices runs with Apple ID, you don't necessarily need to have a Google account to run YouTube unless you want to make a comment or something else. So for that, all you have to do is just go ahead and launch the YouTube application. Once you launch the YouTube app, currently you can see I'm logged into one of my Google accounts because of the profile photo. So just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen. What you want to do is just tap on this little icon, which is a profile picture from the top again. So once you tap on that icon, you'll see all the Google accounts that are available. But if you don't want to log into either of these and then just use YouTube signed out, scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option called use YouTube signed out. Just tap on it. As you do that, your account will be successfully removed from YouTube, and now you can simply browse YouTube without signing into any of the accounts. And this is simply how you can remove account from YouTube. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.